Are your conversations private? Is your location known? Who the hell can you trust? Don't assume your messaging app is keeping your private. Have you ever been made to give up your name, email, phone number? Then you've already thrown your privacy in the trash. Buckle up, because we're changing the game. Introducing Session, your no-bullshit private messenger. Session gives you the freedom to chat securely and anonymously with this. Your Session ID. A big-ass string of data. That's the digital you. But it isn't connected to the real you. So you're safe. Safe as houses. Nobody can look up your Session ID and link it back to you. Session can't be hacked or leak data. Because it runs on a freaking massive decentralized network scattered around the world. Nobody knows what you're saying or who you're saying it to. Thanks to Session's blend of end-to-end encryption and anonymous networking tech. Take back your privacy, because the big players don't give a shit about your best interests. Send messages, not metadata. Use Session.